Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to talk about the integration by parts. So, our target here is to clarify and show you the step-by-step process on how to do the integration by parts. So let's start. So basically guys, when we will be asked about the integral of UdV, our format here is the UV minus the integral of VdU. So, but the problem here is how can we get the function of letter U before we get into the process? So, we have our guide, or we have an acronym called LIATE. So, LIATE means L for logarithmic function, I for inversible trigonometric function, A for algebraic function, T for trigonometric function, and lastly, exponential function. So, the use of this is to guide us or to simply help us to remember easily when we are using the integration by parts. So, for example, we have two functions, which is the logarithmic and algebraic. So, based on the guide, L is the first letter. So, logarithmic is represented by U. Okay? So, we have three examples that will be discussed by my classmates.
So now, let's proceed to the examples. Example number 1. Integral of x6 ln x dx. We will use the method integral of u dv is equals to uv minus integral of v du. Now, we'll find u, du, integral of dv and v. U is equals to ln x, du is equals to 1 over x dx, integral of dv is equals to integral of x6 dx, while v is equals to x to the 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1. So now, v will be x over x7 over 7. Now, we will apply the method we mentioned earlier. To solve, integral of x6 ln x dx is equals to ln x times x7 over 7 minus integral of x7 over 7 times 1x dx. Now, we will repeat the method. As you can see, we simplified the last two terms. So integral of x6 ln x dx will be ln x times x7 over 7 minus 1/7 times integral of x6 dx. So now, integral of x6 ln x dx is equals to x7 ln x over 7 minus 1/7 times x6 plus 1, 6 plus 1. Integral of x6 ln x dx is equals to x7 ln x over 7 minus 1 over 7 times x7 over 7. Now, to the final answer. Integral of x6 ln x dx is equals to the x7 ln over 7 minus x7 over 49 plus c. Now, we should not forget the c for the constant. That's our final answer.
Let's proceed to our example number 2. Our given is integral of x squared e cube x dx. And our u given is x squared and our du given is 2x dx. and our dv given is e cubed x. Our v given is 1/3 e cubed x. Then, integral of dv equals integral of e cubed x dx. Our let w is equals to 3x. dw equals 3 dx over 3. Then cancel out. Then we need to simplify it. dx equals dw over 3 equals integral of e raised to w times dw over 3. Then 1/3 integral of EW times DW. This problem is we need to simplify 1/3 e raised to w, and lastly 1/3 e cubed x equals v. Integral of u dv equals uv minus integral of v du equals integral of x squared e cubed x dx equals x squared times 1/3 e cubed x minus integral of 1/3 e cubed x times 2x dx. Then we need to simplify it. 1/3 x cubed e cubed x minus integral of 2/3 x e cubed x dx. Then we need to simplify it again to make it the shorter sequence. 1/3 x squared e cubed x minus 2/3 integral of x e cubed x dx. And our u is equals x, and our du equals dv, and our dv given is e cubed x dx, and our v is 1/3 e cubed x. And lastly, to solve this problem, equals 1/3 x cubed e cubed x minus 2/3 vv minus integral of v du. Then simplify it again. 1/3 x squared e cubed x minus 2/3 x times 1/3 e cubed x minus integral of 1/3 e cubed x dx. Simplify it again. 1/3 x squared e cubed x minus 2/3. Then 1/3 x e cubed x minus 1/3 times 1/3 e cubed x. And don't forget the c for the constant. And lastly, the final answer. 1/3 x squared e cubed x minus 2/3. 1/3 x e cubed x minus 1/9 e cubed x. Don't forget the plus c. And lastly, the final answer. 1/3 x squared e cubed x minus 2/9 x e cubed x plus 2/29 e cubed x plus c. That's our final answer.
For example number 3, we have the integral of x squared sine x dx. So the givens are u is equals to x squared, du is equals to 2x dx, v is equals to negative cosine x, and dv is equals to sine x dx. So the formula that we will use here is integration by parts. So the formula is the integral of u dv is equals to uv minus integral of v du. So since we have our given and formula, we can now proceed to the next step. So x squared, open close parenthesis, negative cosine x minus the integral of negative cosine x, open close parenthesis, 2x dx. So negative x squared cosine x plus 2 integral of cos x cosine x dx. 2 integral of x cosine x dx. So givens u is equals to x, du is equals to 1 dx, v is equals to sine x, dv is equals to cosine x dx. So the formula is integration by parts. So integral u dv is equals to uv minus the integral of v du. So x, open close parenthesis, sine x minus the integral of sine x, open close parenthesis, 1 dx. Then x sine x minus cosine x. Then next is x sine x plus cosine x plus c. To the integral of x cosine x dx is equals to 2. Open and close parenthesis, x sine x plus 2. Open and close parenthesis, cosine x plus c is equal to 2x sine x plus 2 cosine x plus c. Integral of x squared sine x dx is equals to negative x squared cosine x plus 2. Integral of x cosine x dx. So the final answer is the integral of x squared sine x dx is equals to negative x squared cosine x plus 2 x sine x plus 2 cosine plus c.